Good morning, guys. Good morning to all. My voice is clear online, guys. Is it clear? Please respond, anybody. Guys, all right. All right, guys. Guys, you people are installed. Everybody install the software or not? Anybody is pending? Anybody is pending? Please respond. You people are getting any issues in Tosca software? If you guys are getting any issues, please text me here. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. Guys, yesterday, the last class we discussed about how to take the screenshot, how to scan the image. Okay. How to scan the image. If you want to scan the image, we need to scan inside of the module. See, if you want to scan, if you want to automate any type of application, the application related information you need to scan under module. The application related information you need to scan under module. See, this is the process. The next one, you guys are observe the next concept, how to use if conditions. In Tosca software. How to use if conditions in Tosca software. See, you guys are observe here. If you want to use the if conditions in Tosca software, first of all, I need to log in. Just I will provide. I need to scan this error message. See, guys, now here I will create one module. And inside of the module, the first of all, just I need to copy this one and paste it here. This is the selection. And after that, I need to right click here and scan. See, this is the demo web shop is the login related. First of all, once you guys are launching the application, you need to log in the, you need to choose any button. If you want to choose any button, you need to use this one demo web shop. I want to click on the login. Once I click on the login, just I need to copy the error message. See, now I want to scan. Now I want to copy. You guys are observe here. This is when I select this one, it should be displayed. This is the non-unique value. Okay, non-unique value. Now I was convert to unique, non-unique to unique. Okay, see, first of all, what is the condition? What is the if condition? Okay, there are three types of conditions. Is there? There are three types of. 1 minute, guys. Just a minute, guys. Yeah. See. Hello. Yeah, guys. First of all, we are going to discuss about conditions in Tosca. Yeah. See, there are three types is there here in this Tosca. The first one is the if condition, and the second one is the else condition, and next one is the else if condition and else if condition and if else condition. If else condition. You guys are observe what is the conditions in Tosca. If you want to execute a block of code, if you want to execute a block of code, we need to provide condition. If you want to execute a block of code, we need to provide conditions. For example, I was execute one test case. In this test case, I got some errors. I got some errors. Hello. Yeah. Yeah, see guys, we have three types of conditions is there here. One is the if, and the second one is the else, and the third one is the if else. See, why we are using the conditions in Tosca? If you want to execute a block of code, then you need to provide conditions. See, in this condition, we have then also is there, condition also is there. See, in this Tosca will provide then and condition, then and condition. See, in this Tosca software, if you want to use the if conditions, we need to provide some data inside of the then or condition, then or condition. See what type of data we are able to provide. For example, I want to log in the application. If I want to log in the application, I got two types of errors. The first one is the please enter valid email. Okay, the first one is the please enter valid email, and the second one is the different types of error state we are able to get. We are able to get different type of error state we are able to get. See, these two types of errors I need to validate. These two types of errors I need to validate. How I need to validate these two types of errors? If I want to validate these two types of errors, I need to use the condition. See, the condition is nothing but a block of code. When you guys are execute a block of code, if you guys are getting any error, that one you need to provide inside of the condition. See how you guys are use the condition, how you guys are use the conditions. Okay, see, and go to the test case folder, and go to the test case folder, and after that I want to create one folder. In this folder I will provide if condition. The folder I will provide if condition. Once I provide the condition, I need to use three folders. The first one is the precondition. Yeah, sorry. First, I need to create the test case. After that, we are able to create the folders. First of all, I need to create the test case. TC_01. In this test case, I need to create the folder precondition. And in this test case, I need to create the folder process. And in this test case, I need to create the one folder. Yeah, this is the process. This is the process. You guys are observe here. In this precondition, we are able to provide the open URL and wait. First of all, I need to create the test configuration. I need to create the test configuration. Here I will provide browser, and after that I need to provide the application URL and open URL and the T box wait. And the T box wait. Open URL and the T box wait. See, I need to get the URL from my application. and this you guys are observe here. Once you guys are copy this URL, you need to paste it in URL location, and you need to provide the weight here 9,000, and okay, just I will provide 8,000, 8 milliseconds. Under this process, once I launch the application, I want to click on the login button. If I want to click on the login button, the login information is available here. This is the login, and select the login. Okay, and select the login. See, just I need to drag and drop here and put it here. Okay. And you guys are observe, right click on condition, go to scan application. Just you need guys are choose this one. And after that, we need to copy register and login. And you click on the save, and you click on the close. And once we create and go to software. See guys, this is the, you need to drag and drop. Yeah, see guys, if you want to convert, listen guys, if you want to convert a group, okay, hold down the control button, you need to select both, right click here. See guys, hold on, not here, sorry. Yeah, see guys, just first of all I need to delete this one. Okay, and I need to convert, right click, select the both, and convert to control group. Convert to control group. Here I need to change the name. Just navigator. Just I need to provide navigator. Now I need to drag and drop inside of the processor. Okay. See, once you guys provide the navigator, what I need to do, I want to enter the username and password. I want to enter the username and the password. If I want to enter the username and password, okay, just I need to choose both, right click, scan the application. And here we need to provide email and password. Okay, and you click on login button, and you click on login button, click on save, and click on close. Just you need to drag and drop here. Okay, and after that we need to close the application. And here we need to provide closed browser, and the title is the demo store. This is the title. This is the process. Okay, this is the process. If you want to do the okay, one folder structure in this test case, we need to use this process. Okay, we need to use this process. Before using this process, and I want to create a one folder. Just I no need to provide here. Just a minute, guys. Now I will create two folders. One, two. Yeah, we need to use the if conditions. Okay. See, this is the verify. And this is the post condition. Verify and post condition. Okay, this is the process. See, guys, if you want to use if condition, I will repeat again. Okay, see, if you want to execute a valid test case and invalid test case, if you want to execute a valid test case and invalid test case, we need to use if conditions. Okay, see, you guys are observe. I will show you one thing here. For example, we need to use one if condition. Okay, inside of the if condition, we need to provide the condition. Once you guys are provide the condition is true. The condition is true. Okay, then will execute. Then will execute. The condition is true, then will execute. See, guys, once you guys are provide the if, here condition, then two options is there. Whatever you provide condition is true. Then will be execute. Whatever you provide, the condition is false, what will be execute? Else will be execute. Else will be execute. Else will be execute. I will repeat one more time. See guys, if you want to use the conditions, we are able to execute a block of code. What type of code? Valid data and invalid data. See, I want to execute valid data. I mean positive testing and negative testing. Valid data and invalid data. If I want to execute a valid data and invalid data, I need to use condition. In this condition, we are able to provide one condition. Once you guys are provide the condition, whatever you provide the condition is true, then will be execute. Whatever you provide condition is false, else will be execute. Else will be execute. Okay, is it clear or not? Is it clear or not? Guys, please respond anybody. You people are unable to understand, I will explain one more time. Okay, I will explain from scratch one more time if you guys are unable to understand. Please respond anybody. Is it clear or not? Online guys. Hello. Okay. Yeah. Listen guys. Listen carefully. First of all, what is the condition? If you want to execute a block of code, some piece of code, that code you need to provide. Code means scripts. Sorry. Code means script. If you want to execute any script, if you want to execute any script, any Tosca script, the script you need to provide inside of the if condition. For example, I want to execute some business flows by using Tosca. If I want to execute a business flows by using Tosca, I need to use if condition. Okay, what is my business flow? I want to log in the application. When I log in the application, I got any error. That error I will provide inside of the condition. See, first of all, I want to do the valid data. The valid data, it is execute successfully. Okay, it is okay, fine, no problem. Sometimes you guys are getting any error. Please enter a valid email, or else log in by using valid credential. This type of errors you people are able to get the time how you guys are validate the data. See, valid data, it is execute successfully, but how you guys are validate invalid data? Valid data, you no need to provide anything. If condition, why? Because you need to enter valid credential, then you need to click on login button, that is valid data. But I want to execute invalid test cases. If I want to execute it, invalid test cases, how I need to execute invalid test cases? By using Tosca software. By using Tosca software. If you want to execute valid data and invalid data, first we need to create folder. First we need to create folder. Where you guys are create the folder? In test case tab. In test case tab. Once you guys are create the folder, in that folder, we need to create test case. Create the test case. Once you guys are create the test case, inside of the test case, we need to create 4 folders. The first one is the recondition, process, post condition. Under after process, we need to provide verify. Okay. Create the test case. Under TC, provide below folders. Create the test case under TC, provide below folders. See guys, here we need to use inside of the precondition launch URL and wait. And process, we need to provide the business flows. And verify, here we need to provide if condition. If condition. What is the condition? If you want to use the if, we have condition and then is there. Condition and then is there. See, and one more thing, else also is there. Else also is there. When you guys are use the if condition, we are able to execute any Tosca script. Any Tosca script. Here, what I need to validate? I need to provide condition true. One condition I will provide true. When I provide the condition true, then automatically then will be execute. Then will be execute. Okay. And you guys are observe. When I provide the condition is true, then will be execute. Or when I provide the condition is false, else will be execute. Else will be execute. Else will be execute. See, the condition, the if is completely depends on the condition. See, what I need to provide inside of the then, I need to provide error messages. I need to validate error messages. I need to validate error messages. How I need to validate the error messages? If you want to validate the error messages, okay, see, you guys are observe. Where I need to provide the condition, I need to provide under verify folder. This is the verify folder. Right click on here. Listen carefully, guys. Right click on here. You need to select this symbol. See, create a if statement. Right click on here on verify folder and select the create a if. Okay. See, guys, you guys are observe condition and then condition and then. What I'm saying here, you guys are observe what I was discussed here. If you guys are provide any condition is true, then will be execute. If you guys are any condition is true, then will be execute. Then will be execute. Okay. See. Now, how you guys are use this one? Here I need to use here inside of the condition. Go to Yeah. Yeah, just a minute, guys. Just I need to set this one. Actually, we are expecting here one drop down like, but here it should not display the drop down. Actually, we are expecting like this, guys. See, you guys are observe like this. We are expecting, and if you want to select this one, like we are able to provide exit. Okay. Then here we need to choose the login. Just a minute, guys. I want to check with something here. But here we are expecting like this, but it should not display that one. And inside of the if, here we are able to provide the condition, but condition is not. Okay. Here I will change something here. Verify text here. And here I need to copy these two types of error states here. Once I provide not here. Verify text here. And after that, you need to remove. Once you guys provide the text, same thing you need to copy and paste. And here you guys are right, rename. Okay, that's it. And here what I need to do, what I'm saying here, if you guys are provide any condition, the condition is true, then will be execute. So condition here, what we need to provide, we don't need to provide like this here. And we are going to provide here exist equals to true. We are able to provide exist equal to true. See guys, why I need to provide exist equal to true? When I enter invalid data, this error message is appear inside of the web application. See guys, when I entered invalid data, I click on login button. Once I click on login button, I need to validate the error text. I need to validate the error text. See, the text is exist. What I need to choose? Action mode, verify. In this action mode, we have a different types is there. I will tell you this one also notes, guys. In action mode, we have a different types of things is there. We need to choose the verify. And once you guys are choose the verify, coming to demo web application, here also we need to provide inner text. What we are expecting inner text here? Please enter a valid email address. Please enter a valid email address. Okay. See, this is the process. See, this is the process. I will explain one more time, guys. You guys are listen. Okay. First of all, I need to create one folder. In that folder, I will provide precondition, process, and precondition, process, and verify and post condition. Okay. 4 folders we need to provide. 4 folders we need to provide. Once you guys are provide the 4 folders, in precondition you need to provide application launch and wait. Under process, all the business related flows we need to provide. Under verify, if you want to execute any Tosca script, we need to use condition. You know, guys, we are able to execute the Tosca scripts 2 different ways. The first one is the positive, second one is the negative. You know, guys, how to execute a positive testing. When you guys are provide a valid data, we are able to execute positive testing. Coming to the negative testing, when you guys are enter invalid data, we are able to validate existing error text. How you guys are validate error text? The error text is the customer expected. See, the customer will provide whenever you guys are entered invalid data, the time it should be displayed this error message or not. This error message or not. See, now we are going to validate. Whenever we enter invalid data, the time it should be displayed the customer expected error message or not. How you guys are validate that one? If you want to validate that one, must and should you need to provide invalid data. Must and should we need to provide invalid data. Once you guys are provide the invalid data, whatever you provide the condition, your expected condition is available in existing, then will be execute. Your expected condition is there in existing, then will be execute. Your expected condition is not there, then else will be execute. How to use the else, I will tell you. First of all, you guys are observe how to execute the code by using if condition. See, guys, see, I was created one folder. In that folder, I was created one test case. In the test case, I created 4 folders. Under verify, I need to use one condition. See, when I entered my username, I will remove this one. Yeah. Here also something is miss. Yeah, this one is miss. Yeah. See guys, when I entered username, I click on checkbox S. I click on login. I no need to enter the password. Just I want to enter here this one. Just I want to enter this one. When I enter this one, I no need to enter the password. I need to click on remember me and click on the login. The time what I need to validate, I need to use if I want to validate any existing text. If I want to validate any existing text, I need to use the if condition. How you guys are able to use the if condition? Inside of the condition, whatever you enter the data, the time that is not a valid data, you are able to get one error message. What is the error message? Please enter a valid email address. This is existing or not? Yes, it is existing, true. Then will be executed. Whatever you provide here, the expected inner text also is same. Verification is pass. Whatever you provide here, true. The verification is true here, and then will be executed. Then will be executed. Once it is executed, the browser will be closed. The browser will be closed. This is the process. You guys are getting any doubt? Please tell me. You know, guys, how to execute positive testing, but you don't know how to execute the negative testing. If you want to execute the negative testing, we need to use the conditions. How to use the else and if else, I will tell you. Okay. First of all, this is you people are able to understand or not. You guys are able to understand. Now I will execute the code. Sorry, now I will execute the Tosca. Please respond, anybody. You guys are able to understand or not? Yeah, Durga Prasad, what I need to explain. We have a 4 folders. Is there which folder you are unable to understand? Durga Prasad, please tell me. I will repeat again. Yeah, okay. Thank you, guys. Durga Prasad, I am talking about you. Okay. Else I will tell you. Okay. You guys are able to understand the condition and then you are able to understand. Else I will tell you. No problem. Else I will tell you. Okay. Don't worry. Else I will tell you. I will close. Now I will execute. You guys are observe. Yeah. Right click here. Run in Scratch. Just I want to launch the web application. I need to choose. I was convert to group. Control group. I think the first time I am able to get error. I think this is the first time to launch. It will be taking more. Okay, very good. I click on enter. I need to click on. You guys are observe here. The condition is pass. The condition is pass. You guys are observe here. Verification was successful. Verification was expected value. Please enter valid email address. Actual value. Please enter valid. The expected value and actual value both are same. The test case is pass. The test case is pass. Okay. The expected value and actual value both are same. The test case is pass. Is that clear? Is it clear or not, guys? You are unable to understand? Please tell me. I will repeat one more time. Tell me, guys. Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah. See, Ramya, you observe here. Inside of the condition, we are expecting when I enter the error invalid data, inside of the condition, we are expecting when I enter the invalid data, I click on login button. Once I click on the login button, I got one error message. What type of error message? Please enter a valid email address. See, what is the customer requirement? Mr. Guys, valid is executed successfully. You need to verify one error message. When you guys are entered invalid data, the time it should be displayed one error message. This is our expected error message. This is our expected error message. This error message the customer is provide. What I need to do inside of the condition, I am expecting this is exist. It's true. Then the condition will be executed. Then the condition will be executed. This is not a exist. This is not a exist. The text is not a exist. This condition is failed. Then else will be executed. Okay. We are expecting this. Just imagine this error message is available in exist. Once this error message is there, then will be executed. How it will be executed? The inner text. The inner text, please enter a valid email address. Both are same. This is, you guys are observed. This is the same and this is the same. Then the condition will be executed. Is it clear, Ramya? Okay. See, guys, sorry for inconvenience today. Actually, a little bit late. Some topic issues. So, sorry for inconvenience. Okay. Tomorrow I will take the session right time. Okay. Thank you very much, guys. Okay. If you guys are unable to understand this process, I will continue tomorrow. Okay. No problem. Okay. It is very important. See, positive testing, everybody able to do. It is possible. But how you guys are able to do the negative testing? If you want to do the negative testing, we need to validate some error messages. Why we need to validate the error messages? That error messages is done by customer end. The customer will explain when you guys are entering invalid data, we are able to get the error messages. This error messages we need to validate. This is the customer requirement. Okay, don't forget. Okay, please do practice. Still, you people are unable to understand. I will explain again tomorrow, no problem. Okay, thank you very much, guys. Okay, I will continue tomorrow. Have a nice day. Bye.